Hello there, today I show you my electric creator Photoshop action, how to use it and custom it. There is previously applied some result. Is word, shape and shape with text, any shape and any text, just follow our rule. This is another quality, the text is style. See the effect looking. You can make it transparent PNG very easily and change the color very fast. And inner decoration you can change if you think you need to change inner decoration, and out decoration you can change it. See, another one is very nicely look the shining, you can change there is another shining and another shining looking. See, but need to high resolution, use the high resolution image. See, this is the our vectorgraphy, and Photoshop we have paste it and our apply script, another one and another one and another one just after or before. Okay, now go my download file. There is show brush file, action file, and this is the PSD template help file and pattern file. We need to load pattern first and brush, then our script, and you can read the help file. There is our supporting information include. You can get support very fast in mention supporting link. Okay, first select brush and select and double click, it's load your Photoshop automatically, or you can load manually. Go Photoshop and go window and the brush option click. Now brush option show and more option click, input brush and find out my download file. Find out my download file and location, and select the brush file. There is show brush only, show brush format. Select and load button click. Now brush is loaded. Go window and now pattern option click and go more option. This is the pattern option, and more option click and input pattern, and find out my file, main file, download there and show their pattern format. Select and load button click. Now go window and action option click. Now action option show maybe right side, I have set it left side for better understanding, and go more option and load button click. Now I want to load pattern our script. Select and load button click. Okay, now it's loaded. This is the folder and this is the script. You can use our template, this template, or you can create new page. So first I show my template. Double click it and open your Photoshop. Now there is the option show the subject and smart object. Make sure the layer name is subject, do not change the layer name. You can change this text very easily. Double click this smart object and open a new window, and there is the editable text. You can change any text and type anything, like I see the editable text. I have changed now font, then show you, then you can understand it. See, any type of font you can use. This time I have used this one, and I make it bigger, and Control T for transform, or transform, show transform there, little bigger for better looking purpose, and enter. My position is perfect, and I have off the show transform. Go there and the save option click. Now main template is show. See, the text is changed. Now I have select subject layer. Just make sure select a subject layer and all in on and hit the play button. Select this one and hit the play button. start working. And now I show you how to use the shape. This is only text format. Okay, wait and see, it's working. Okay, this is the finishing result message. See, this is the on kind of quality, but there is a more quality option I have hidden. You can watch it. Okay, now see, if you want you can use the extra there the electric option and get the extra, and transform tool, sorry, for transform tool, and you can move it yourself and rotate yourself. You can move this place, and right button click the layer and duplicate option, and more shining, and you can make it easier. Say another placement, say it look like great, and this is the another doubling option, but do not need this now. And this is the extra shading option, and this is the fog style. So if you want you can check out this fog style. And there is the color option. You can see the color is shining looking, another color style, and another color style, and there is another color style. If you use this color, and you can change very easily the color, view this one, this color changer, and double click this icon, and property option show. Now you can change the color very easily. See, switch the color and very easily it. And if you don't like this lighting, uncheck this one, and there is the lighting change. See, another one, another lighting change, and another lighting change. So is very flexibility, you can change very easily the light. Double click this option and change color. See, and uncheck this one and view this one. There is another color changing option. This is the another mode. You can change very easily color. Okay, now I show you the shape, how to use the shape. I have closed it now and open it again. And double click this option and hide this one, and you can paste any shape there, any shape there, like I paste now this one, and paste there a smart object. My page is bigger at last, and make sure double click, and color is black format. Then save button click, it save my main template. I have closed it. See, there is the option show. Now hit the select all in one and hit the play button, and make sure you select the subject layer. Now start working. It's a shape, and you can use any shape. Just wait and see result come out, and to show you another tricks. See, they're looking. There is the looking. If you don't like the inner setup, you can uncheck the inner setup and inner glossy. See, uncheck the inner glossy style, and I have closed this one and create a new page. Just make sure high resolution at last 300 pixel. You can use high resolution 3500 pixel and 2500 pixel, and there is 300 and RGB page. Make sure RGB page. If not, go image mode RGB click. Okay, and background name is background. Same way you can use our template or use your new page. So follow this step as it is. Now we can paste anything, like if you want to paste this shape, this is the shape, vector shape, and paste there smart object, and make sure the size is biggest, otherwise result not would show. Okay, enter, and double click the subject smart object already, and double click this option, the text option, and there is subject, all are small letter, subject, subject, same as it is my spelling. Select all in one and hit the play button, start working. It's working, depend your PC configuration and image resolution size. See, the looking is great. And if you want out of this, and another see, only fresh, now only fresh, and you can change color. Now show another one, 300 and resolution 300, and type there anything like HOKN, my name, HOKN, make sure it's look like a biggest. You can use the crop tool for more large. Okay, and this is the text form, so right button click and smart object, right button click and smart object, and type there subject, all are small letter, subject, subject, and hit the play button. It's working. Just follow the rule, smart object and subject. Layer is subject name. Do not include a space, hyphen, comma, or uppercase, lowercase mix up letter. Only lowercase letter. See, this will work. How to make PNG? Just uncheck all, and now it's PNG, and you can save it, export and quick, then go export and quick export as a PNG. Okay, show you another one, another tricks. Trim to, you can use any size, like I have used there 300 and type there 400. You can use resolution 300 or about 72. Okay, and anything like any decoration, and paste there smart object, and if you want to make some, add some text like 80%, so make it bigger. Okay, and select this both two and group and smart object now, then SUV subject. Okay, and hit the play button. And also if you want to add something, so you can add the group folder, then you can make the smart object. Hit the play button, wait and see. You can download this script, our store Creative Market MRI Studio, and our more script and our biggest script collection in this shop available there. You can check out our all script in this place, MRI Studio, Creative Market, MRI Studio. And also you can bundle, there is graphical materials and add-ons, everything include. I back it my Photoshop again and see is nicely work everything, and change it double click, and we can change the color. See the shining looking is more there now. Thanks for see this video and purchase this product. Still, if you need any kind of help, you can send a message our profile and our Facebook fan page and our WhatsApp number. And if you want support this product and Energize live chat, Energize live call anytime, fix the time and subscribe this channel